Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain where I think Bitcoin's going to end up pulling back to and where you guys can start placing some massive limit orders to have longer term profits that make you more of a whale type of player, okay? Now, we've seen the death crosses here, and I want to just, go back in time a little bit here. Death cross is not a good thing for Bitcoin. It's not a good thing at all. This is a weekly chart where we have the 20 moving average crossing below the 50 moving average on the weekly chart again, okay? The last few times that's happened, I want to show you guys this. We had a crash of 53%. We had a crash of 54%. Let's go all the way back in time even a little bit more to find all these death crosses here. And the last one I can really see right now is 2014. That went down about 69%. Now, I am not saying we're going to go back down to, down 70%. That's not going to happen. But what is the constant here if we go back in time? Look at this. Every single time we have a death cross, here came down to the 200 moving average. Here came down to the 200 moving average. Here came back down to the 200 weekly moving average. And right here, is it really so inconceivable that we might not come back down to this 200 moving average to find some support? I think this is the most likely scenario, guys. So just be aware that if we do get shaken out here over the next few weeks or months, that the safest thing you guys can do is either to hold on to your coins and hold for the long term, because that's the safest way you can play Bitcoin, or what you guys can be doing is loading up on altcoins if we do end up coming back down here and placing some limit orders, because your altcoins will be drastically lower in value, drastically. Now, one other thing here, I'm going to remove this last drawing here and I'm going to go to the monthly chart. One last thing here. We're very, very close to breaking down below the 20-month moving average here. And let's go back in time. We broke down below here. This was a nasty move. We broke down right here. Following that, we had a nasty move. So every time we break down below this 20 here, we tend to have some really nasty moves following it. So I want you guys to understand that. And of course, it ends right back here, so we don't have as much data on that. But guys, this is not a good thing for Bitcoin. We may be heading for some more shakeouts. I wish I had some more positive news, but just in case this is going to be a shakeout over the next few weeks or months, you guys should have a plan. My plan right now is to just hold on to some of my longer term coins. But some of the stuff I've been swinging, if we do start to break down below some of these moving averages, or just in fact, some of these trend lines here that we've been watching for a while, that's where I'm going to start selling off and shaving off even more of my altcoins. That way I can start buying back more if we do make it all the way back down here to, the 200 moving average. Right now that's at about $21,000. But if you give it a few more weeks here, guys, I'm sure it'll actually be popping up around $24,000, $25,000. So I don't actually see us getting that down to 20,000. But I just want you guys to be aware of that, okay? Have a great day, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Talk to me